I want to thank you all for 200,000 subscribers. Our YouTube channel reached 200,000 subscribers on Sunday. Today is Tuesday, and we're already at 202,000 subscribers. It's been a long journey, and I still remember when I started this YouTube channel a few years ago, I felt like a small creature in a field of giants, in a field of dinosaurs. It took me 2 weeks to get my first subscriber. Then I was aiming for 100 subscribers. Then my goal was to reach 500 subscribers, then 1,000. Then it was only a dream to be at 10,000 subscribers. I crossed a long road, and I passed a lot of the channels that I used to watch. Business flourished like I could never have imagined. And the message that I want to pass on to you today is, each one of us is unique in his or her own ways. No two humans are alike. If you put your mind to something and you have the will, patience, persistency, and eagerness to succeed, I guarantee you, and no doubt about it, that sooner or later, hard work will pay off and nothing is impossible. Do not let anyone tell you otherwise.